Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Spark Driver app not working. If the Spark Driver app is not working properly, crashing, freezing or not letting you log in, you need to try this troubleshooting step. Firstly, you need to check your internet connection. You can simply go to your notifications bar in the top right and simply toggle off and toggle on to your Wi-Fi again, or you can also try turning on to your cellular data. And you can also switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if any issue is network related, or you can simply restart the app. Once you open this Spark Drivers app, you can simply go back and you need to open to your Spark Drive again and check if the problem is resolved. You can also update the app. You need to go to your app store and search for the Spark Driver, and you can install any available updates as outdated versions can cause issues. And following this step will resolve most Spark Driver app problems, including login errors, crashes, loading issues, and unexpected app behavior. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.